Alright, so I recently just finished a video gorilla whooping in the mall, and it was really fun, but there was one critical error that I made. I didn't know this at the time, but that very first crash that I had, I lost the VTX antenna. So if I knew, I definitely wouldn't have flown it because you can damage the AIO doing that. But I was flying basically the whole day. It really affected the range, and I was talking about it as if it was interference. Either way, I'm going to be giving the Air75 another chance. I'm going to go gorilla whoop some more. We're gonna be indoors because it's hot as hell. So I'm about to pull up to my local Lowe's and I'm gonna fly the Air75 in there until I get kicked out. We'll see, I don't know, it might be quick. I might be able to get all 4 batteries out, but if not, the pacing of this video is going to be determined by when I get kicked out. And if I do get kicked out, I'm just going to pick a different store. And thank you, Bot Grinder, for the idea. I think this is going to be a fun challenge because it's usually packed in Lowe's, so they got employees everywhere. It's probably going to be difficult to stay in there longer than 3 minutes, but I'm going to try my best. All right, let's go. All right, just made it. I'm about to go in. I'm gonna turn on everything. I'm turning on my transmitter and my goggles. The only thing I'm not turning on is my drone, obviously. It's just gonna waste battery and probably overheat. So I just wanna be ready. So when I find a spot, I can just rip. All right, let's go. Where is the welder's glue? I'm definitely not trying to find a spot to fly. I'm just looking for glue. Let me keep looking. All right. Let's see. Okay, lots of lights. Now this is good reception. Even in between all these shelves, still good. Oop. Anytime I see that, I'm going the other way. Oh yeah, this is really good. Let's just hope I don't get lost. I'm just looking for welder's glue. Do you guys see it? Oh, this is sweet actually. Bot, this is such a good idea. All right. Oh, thought that was an entrance. Okay. Definitely not gonna trip you. Nope. No reason to do that. Welder's glue. E6000. Where is it? I don't see it. Yeah, I'm having trouble finding it. Close call. Ooh, gotta watch for those wires. Just checkpoint. Let's do it. Well, one more time. Turn the black box off. That's a waste of memory. Okay. I don't know what that was. I mean, oh God, there's a person right there. There are just random wires that I'm definitely gonna have to watch out for. Where is that E6000? I'm having the most trouble finding this E6000. Is it over here? I don't know. Ooh, all right. Ooh, little bump. Just a little bump. See these right here. I think I know what's next. Nope. Let's see. Oh shit. All right, well, I didn't catch it on camera, but I definitely caught it on the mic. I got kicked out. What was that?
Can't have you flying that inside the store.
Is that you're good?
Huh? No. Nowhere inside the store limit.
All right.
It's an invasion of everybody's privacy.
The guy just snuck me. I don't want to stay burn out this, but like I'm not trying to get any type of authorities involved. Like it's not really worth it. Like if they say go, I'm out. Like I'm not gonna fight them on it. And yeah, I'm gonna find somewhere else to fly. I got 2 batteries burned. I'm surprised I got 2 batteries in. But yeah, let's go to the next spot.
Hardware, call 590. Hardware, call 590.
See, indoors, perfectly fine. Yeah, this is good. So I guess paint thinner. Busy day, I'm guessing. Perfect time for me, okay. So paint thinner, that's what I'm looking for this time. Paint thinner, I don't see it. I need paint thinner and I need welder's glue. I don't see it. Oh, okay, all right. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, hello there. Alright, it's getting busy.
And then got back to the house, slept for another 2 hours.
Okay, I'm not seeing it. There I am. Oops.
Which one, the green one or the clear one?
Okay. Oh, this,
Just one?
now I'm getting some interference. For sure.
Okay, 1 or 2?
Because I feel like I went farther than this. Let me remember the number.
Alright, anything else?
Okay, 42. Okay. Just in case. Y'all be getting mad when I don't put the battery low enough. But this is about where I take it off. Yeah, this is about it for me. Last pack. No issues. Good to go. Time to pack it up. Does this work? Okay. Honestly, I just think they were just so busy they really couldn't deal with me. There's a lot going on the intercom. There's a lot going on just around me. It just seemed so busy that they just did not care. I think that last flight really gave me hope for our hobby because compared to what happened at Lowe's, at Home Depot, everybody was just going about their business, walking right past me. I hear this lady on the phone talking while I'm recording, while I'm talking on my headset, like I'm busy and she's busy doing her thing. I didn't hear nothing out of anybody. It could be because they were all, you know, in their own world and probably had bigger things to do than, you know, deal with a guy with a drone, but nobody seemed to care. They didn't even ask any questions. It was just like, oh, that's normal. I was like, cool, all right. That's how I would love to do this gorilla whooping shit, but I mean, it's not always gonna be like that. Sometimes it could get hairy. I mean, people could get upset. Like the first guy said, it's an invasion of privacy. I mean, you're being recorded every second in there anyway. Anyway, I mean, I'm not even gonna get into the logistics and the legalities. All I wanna say is that was really fun. You have to be meticulous about where you go and the things that you say, because like obviously if there's an employee right next to me in the aisle, I don't want to be like, well, this thing flies really well, something like that, and then they're like, oh, so it's you. So I was trying to be very careful with the things that I said, but I mean, either way, I had fun, and I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you guys leave a comment of maybe somewhere you want me to fly next. Keep in mind how precarious of a situation you guys put me in, because I mean, if it's too crazy, I'm just not gonna do it. But you know, if it's fun enough and I think it'd be a good idea, I will. So leave those comments. Have a good rest of your day, and goodbye.